Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine at home. Students, in this video we are going to cover the three topics of your GK syllabus. First is being a good citizen, and the second will be I wonder, and the third will be quiz time number 2. In this video we will cover the three topics. So the first one is being a good citizen. Students, what do you mean by good citizen? Yes, a responsible person who do all the responsibilities very well. That is called a good citizen. Being a good citizen is important wherever you are, at school, at home, wherever you are. You should play a role like good citizen. So, in this video, in this chapter, we will discuss some points to be a good citizen that you should follow to be a good citizen at home. So, first is respect your parents. Students, at home there are your parents, mama or papa. You should always respect. You should respect them. You should obey them. Okay? Don't say no to them. Always, whenever your parents are saying to do something, then say yes papa, I will do. Yes mama, I will do. You should respect to everyone. Then next is you should be good with your brothers and sisters. At home there are your elders and younger brothers sisters. You should love them. You should be good with them. Next is you should help your parents in their household jobs. Students, whenever you are at home, you should always help your mama who cooks food for you and who helps you in every work. You should always help your mama. Next is you should help in keeping your home neat and clean. Yes, cleanliness is very important in our life. We should keep our surrounding clean. Then you should always keep your house neat and clean to be safe. Next is you should throw garbage in dustbin. Yes, I already told you that we should keep our environment neat and clean, so that waste material should be thrown in the dustbin only. We should not keep here and there. That will look dirty. Next is we should look after the plants at your home. Yes, as we know that plants gives us oxygen, then we should grow more and more plants and we should look after them. Next is we should keep our things at their proper place. I already told you that we should not keep here and there all the things. We should keep in a proper place. Whenever you are playing with your toys, play. Then after playing, all the things should be kept in proper place. Next is we should play safe games such as indoor games only at home. Yes, all the games which are related with the indoor games should be played in the home, and all the games which are related with the outdoor games should be played in outdoor. Don't think that you can play bat ball at home. That will be dangerous for you, and some things also can damage. Okay, students. Next is we should keep your body neat and clean. Yes, you should always take bath every day. Then keep your body neat and clean. This will help you to keep healthy. Next chapter is I wonder. Students, there are many wonderful things which are happening around us. In this topic, we will discuss some wonderful things which are happening around us. The first one is what makes us sneeze. Students, whenever we are outside or somewhere, wherever we are, we sneeze sometimes. Do you know what is the reason behind the sneeze? Yes, students, when dust or germs get into our nose, it is our nose, when dust or germs get into our nose, Our body makes us sneeze to get rid of them. Next is, why do cake rise? Do you like cake? Yes, I also like cake. And do you know that what is the reason behind the rice cake? Yes, when we put a cake in the oven, the mixture heats up and make bubbles of carbon dioxide. That's why cake rise. Next is, why do our eyes produce tears? Why do our eyes produce tears? Look at this picture. Eyes produce tears. Why? Yes, tears come from our eyes when our eyes are irritated by dust and germs. Then our eyes produce tears. Next is cold on snow. Students, how cold is snow? Do you know what is the reason? Yes, when temperature is below 0 degree Celsius, then water droplets of water change into snow. Next is inside the ear. Yes, do you know there is a liquid water inside our ear? And the question is, why do we feel dizzy when we spin around? Do you know when we spin around we feel dizzy like this? Then why? Because liquidy water takes time to settle, so that's why we feel dizzy. Next is wave rolls. Have you seen the wave rolls? Yes, these wave rolls are found in the large water bodies. And what is the reason behind this wave? Yes, students, due to stormy weather, waves of water blown across the surface of the water, that's why waves roll. The next is left-handed people. Students, you may have seen that there are mostly people which use right hand to write, and there are very less people those who use left hand to write. Do you know why? Because the right half of the brain controls the left side of the body, and the left half of the brain control the right hand of the body. And in most of the people, they are having left side of the brain is better developed. That's why mostly people use right hand to write. Then hiccup. Students, what makes us hiccup? Yes, there is a reason behind this. When something makes our muscles, here are our muscles, when something makes our muscles pull down very hard, then it draws lots of air into our lungs. That's why we hiccup. So it was the chapter I Wonder. Now I am going to teach you quiz time 2. Students, page number is 46, but I think most of the students, they are having their old book, so the page number will not be same. You can find the quiz number 2 in your book. So let's discuss. First is tick the correct answer. First is Virat Kohli is famous. You have heard the name of Virat Kohli. Yes, I think all the students like to watch cricket, and Virat Kohli is a famous cricketer in India. Next is shuttle is used in which game? You have seen the shuttle? Yes, shuttle is used for the badminton game. Next is which language is spoken in Goa? Do you know that Goa is the smallest state in India, and the Konkani language is spoken in Goa state. Next is how many days make a week? Yes, there are 7 days. Which are these? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 7 days which makes a week. Students, these all the questions and next will be fill in the blanks. These all are related with your previous chapters which you have done earlier. Okay, so remember that also. Which is the largest planet? Yes, in our solar system, Jupiter is the largest planet. Next is, which of these is the national bird of India? Yes, there are three options: peacock, parrot and swan. But peacock is our national bird of India. Next is, which of these in the national language? Which of these is the national language of India? Yes, English is our international language and Punjabi is our regional language and Hindi is our national language of India. So the next topic which we are going to discuss, that is, answer the following questions. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Our first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first President of India? Yes, first President of India was Rajendra Prasad. What is the language of Karnataka? Yes, in Karnataka, Kannada language is spoken. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest it is in Nepal. It is the highest mountain in the world. What is our national emblem called? Yes, lion, capital of Ashoka is our national emblem called. Next, number 6 is write two things that need air to fly. Yes, as you fly kite. Yes, this also kite also needed air to fly. Then helicopter also. Next, why do we need air? Yes, we need air to breathe, to live. Next, number 8, last one is write two man-made things. Yes, there are human-made things also and man-made things also. But now you have to write only man-made things which are made by man. Yes, you can write any two things. Here I have written car and pen. So students, these were the three topics which we covered in this video. So students, watch the video properly, then read the chapter, then solve the exercise. Thank you.